everybody think that this set is very cool. Just because it has the Akimo, the mask maker, and Cult of the Skull Grinder, and because with the mask creation. Well, I'll tell you this set's stupid. Well, screw that. Yeah. Because now I have the real deal here. This is a revamped of the mask maker versus the skull grinder. That's right, I revamped the set, and because there are some mistakes that Lego made, and I just didn't like it. So yeah, I fixed them. So in the description, you should know the notes, and don't even argue with me what's wrong. Alright, so let's review the main character. We have Colta, because in the Barnacle story, it's in the final episode, and he did not use the shield. Crap. Stupid bug. Alright, he did not use the shield, so I did not let him use the shield. I upgraded him to be more realistic on the episodes. Yeah, against the new armor, even against the golden arms, other golden parts. Yeah, so let's say Kimo right there. Next, for the main villain in the set, it's Colta. Alright, in the Barnacle series, he's supposed to be a lot bigger than the Toa. So, so this is what he looks like. I upgraded his legs. So he has. This is from Skull Spider Legs. Use them as feet. Yeah, I give him. In the Michael series, also his sword. Colta did not use his extra sword. He just only used his mask. He just only used his staff. And I fixed him a lot. And then Joko under one is in that room. Now come on that window. Show your face. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Doesn't want to show your face. Alright. So that's Colta. Next, for the Mask of Creation. Alright. So the Mask of Creation, I give it a little fix because the stand for the Mask of Creation of the set is kind of bit not to the real deal. So yeah, it's just my uncle right there. So this thing. Yeah. Well, it's just hold on. I'll show you why I. Hold up. See, that's why. It's just so simple. Colt is supposed to be more taller. I mean, come on, people. Just make him more taller. Well, I seen they created another other cultas that are more bigger. Also, if you want to see more, hold up a second. Alright, and we're back. So, yeah, so, let me set everything up. Alright, so anyways, guys, I hope you liked the creation I made. If you like, comment and subscribe, and tell me what else you want me to make. I'm in the Lego creation, making TF2. F1 fine miners, and other stuff. Anyways, guys, oh. You stupid!
Why are you throwing the book?
It's just an example.
Oh, this is an example.
So yeah, guys. I hope to see you later. Bye.